All right, third graders. So now we're going to practice our skill with addition with regrouping. So now we're going to take it a step further from place value and start adding with 3-digit numbers. So let's begin. Okay, so I'm just going to show you first the easiest way for us to add quickly and efficiently. So if we have a 3-digit number and they are placed like this, so if we have 327 plus 674, the easiest way that we can do this, since these are such large numbers, is stack them on top. So I'm just going to take this number and I'm going to stack them on top. So 327 plus, okay, here's the important part that we have to make sure that we do, is that we have to make sure that we line them up with the correct place value. So if this is ones, tens, and hundreds, ones, tens, and hundreds, we have to line it up exactly the same. So for me, what I like to do is I like to put lines down so I know the columns. Okay, so now this will help me fill in the 674. So I know 4 is in the ones place, 7 is in my tens, and 6 is in my hundreds. So now I'm just going to add that all up. So the first step I'm going to do is add in my ones place. So here's my ones place. So I know 7 plus 4. So I'm taking 7 dots and adding 4 dots. So if I need help with that, I can draw it out. So I can draw 7 ones, 7. Okay, so there's my 7 dots, and I can draw 4 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4 dots. So 7 plus 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I know 1 is going to go there, and then I'm going to have to carry the other one to the tens place. So when I carry it over, so now I can add up all of this column. So 7 plus 2, 7, 8, 9, and then plus the 1 I had left over from the ones place. So 7, 8, 9, 10. So I know I have to put the 0 and carry the 1 from the 10. So now, adding my hundreds place, I'm going to go 6 plus 3. So 6, 7, 8, 9, plus that 1 is 10. And oh my gosh, I went into another column. What column is that one? That's the thousands place. So I know I added 1 more 1,000. So I know my answer is going to be 1,001. Okay, we're going to practice another one, so then you can get a hang of it for on your own. So my next one I'm going to do is 238. Remember, I'm going to add my columns to help me stack on top. Let's do 781. Okay, let's begin. So I know when I need to carry is when it is 9, well, 10 and higher, I have to carry. Because remember, just like the image, a bundle of 10 ones makes 1 solid 10 to make me carry over, okay? So I'm just going to start off with adding my ones place first. So 8 plus 1 will give me 9. And remember, 10 or higher, I I have to bundle and move over. So I'm safe here for the ones place. 3 plus 8 is going to give me 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11 is higher than 10, so I know that I have to bundle and move over. So that's going to be 1 stays there, and I carry the 1. 7 plus 2, 7, 8, 9, and then 10. Look, and I have another 1 in the thousands place, so I know I have to carry it down. So my answer is going to be 1019. Okay, so that will be all with addition with regrouping. On the next video, you will watch me do subtraction with borrowing.